Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Just like you can see in the title or in the thumbnail of this video, you already know who we are talking about. We are talking about Ada Jesus, popular social media comedian. She cracks a lot of jokes both in Instagram and Facebook. So there's this saga going on between her and Odumeje for a very long time now. So this saga is really long, like it's a long story, okay, but I'm going to make it short. I'm going to make it short. I'm not going to say everything in one video. So there will be part, like this one is going to be part 1, there will be part 2, part 3. So make sure you stay tuned, okay? So before we dive into this gist, guys, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Jennifer. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and when you subscribe, click that notification bell beside it. What the bell does is to notify you whenever I put out a new video. You will be the first to know. And to you, my amazing returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to show me that love. I really appreciate. And to my new subscribers, God bless you for subscribing to my channel. Before this saga, Ada Jesus and Odumeje, they are very good friends. They crack jokes together and they play a lot. So this video here just showed how close the both of them are. There was a time that Ada Jesus was sick and she was admitted in the hospital. Nobody came to her rescue, but this same Odumeje sent some group of people to go and give her money, which she even showed to the whole world.
My dad, Lion, I'd be very, very grateful. I'd be very grateful for the message you sent to me. I want to make a video. I'm surprised. I'm so surprised that he sent some Lion's family to come and see me. If me and the youngest producer, I'd be very happy. May God bless you. My dad, Lion, may God bless you.
Now the question is, if Odumeje can be this nice to Ada Jesus, then why would she be duping people all in the name of seeing Odumeje? That is so unfair, because Odumeje has been very nice to you. So why would you use his name and be lying, duping people at his back? That is so unfair. So she has been doing this and she's getting away with it until this last one, she got trapped on it. She doesn't know that this person has Odumeje's contact. So this person contacted Odumeje and told him what Ada Jesus is doing. Odumeje now got angry and decided to dump Ada Jesus. So before then, this guy know what Ada Jesus was doing, and he was shouting, telling people to be aware of scammers, all in the name of seeing Odumeje. You guys will know him, Owuefiezigbo, if I'm not mistaken. I'll write his name on the screen. So he noticed this from the onset, and he was telling people to be aware of scammers that wants to collect money from them, all in the name of seeing Odumeje. So here is the video clip.
Fancy Odude, mana ife me na maka na ka na maka na nwe many controversy so zinya bi ije abro ze tu osu fair na video maka na nwe so many things so no one afro onwe conversation atokwa ife the conversation na ekwu that na Ada na eri olu o na eri ya na onwe no yesia na ka anu olu no mo fe olu mmo Ada we nya abi. Now before Odu Gafia, no ga drop go to 250 back. I want for a transaction 250 back. I send the one like 100 back. Send the one like 90 back. Nah, because ya egani ego what if I don't say na that is all. No bu no one say na chọrọ ifu Odu. You even name by Odu. E mana mo abu Ono, nya mo abu Odu. ọ bụrụ na ịchọ ịbụ odu by iso na wee ada wee jee ada amaghị bi so a na-akọwakwa na odu adịrọ da awe ife na-eme n'oge ozi ji wee luo nya ntị ọ sị na ya adịrọ awe na ife dị ole a na-eme in that same voice note kena ụmụ write-ups a adazi bịa tụọ ife anyị na-anụkwazi bụ na ada kwuru wee sị na e nwere ike iji nye fake testimony onye asị ọ makwa na odu na-ewesala iwe ọsịa ọ na-ewesala iwe na ọ bụ na fadị ya ka ọ bụ na ọ kwesịrị iwesala nwa ya iwe ịgbago steeti ọ tụgasịrị na that state so mụ abịa akụkọ ya dịte na.
So this is the saga going on between Ada Jesus and Odumeje. So when Odumeje find out that this is what Ada Jesus has been doing behind his back, he decided to end the relationship. So Ada Jesus have no option because she has already seen that Odumeje know all her secrets. So she decided to make mockery of him. Remember the video that went viral about Odumeje when he wanted to go and greet the governor and the police stopped him and he started clapping? Ada Jesus also made mockery of him in that video. Watch.
Ngwagezi ka ngwa gị na. Gee ka ngwa gị eyes na Brazil. Gee ka ngwa zi gị na mụ Ada Jesus na ngwa gị ife. Akwa gị aka ịpụọ n'ụzọ ka akwa ndị ọzọ. Ọ bụla akwa gị aka ị na-akọ aka. Ịbere ụka akụrụmaka. Onye na anyị ngwa gị ịbere ụka ndị akụrụmaka. Akwa gị aka ịpụọ n'ụzọ. Ọ bụla akwa gị aka ị na-akọ aka. Ka ngwa gị ada akọ aka ebe ndị gọvanọ na.
Even a lion with nothing, and he helped you. He prayed for you. He helped you everywhere. And what you can use to pay him back, we compare. We make as if he made this video about him. Hey, this idiot. Everybody in this world beware of Ada Jesus. If this girl name because Amanya very well, what this girl do is to go up and down in any church. She get close to the prophet, make a video with the prophet, and scam you. You might see.
Your godfather, a man, your godfather, a man that has been taking good care of you. Okay, if not for anything, if you go to my Odumeje or Ebrigi, and then you go on social media, or you go Ebrigi ban. Eh? Makanega Gana and they already in contact with Odumeje. You gonna push her ego. Na fraud ha Odumeje ano the thing to God we sara gi iwe sigi why you like that you put us na social media na akparisi ya Ada Jesus gi chefu ihe onile Odumeje meneki gi chefu mu go hospital bill mere go yechara gi na hospital mgbe mụrụ nwa ihe no na emere gi in fact ihe niile all those things on emere gi when the nkicha tedere m ofu you just know na ele anya na azọ kparia this man akwa aga aka ịpụ ọnụ ụzọ ka akwa onye ọzọ ọ gị na-akụrụ gọvanọ aka. What is the meaning of that rubbish? I'm asking you. What is the meaning of that nonsense? Ọ was maka na the man jizo onwe ya n'ezie gị hụchazie ya gị chefu na ọwa aka na-efeed gị just know lecha anya gbaji.
So guys, that is the saga that is going on between Odumeje and Ada Jesus. What do you have to say about this? I want to know what you think about what Ada Jesus did by scamming people all in the name of seeing Odumeje. If you ask me, guys, I would say what Ada Jesus did is very wrong. Like, why will you do that to a man that cares so much about you? He was there for you when you gave birth at the hospital. No one to, bear you up, but he sent some people with some money too. So why will you scam people that want to see him? All because of money. That is so unfair. Okay, it didn't even end there. You join other people that were making mockery of him to say, oh, come on. That is not nice of you now. It's not nice. So guys, that will be the end of this video today. Just like I said, this saga is really long. Okay, make sure you stay tuned with this channel because more updates are still gonna be coming your way. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, and if you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Share to your friends and family so that they will know that this channel, is existing. Yes guys. Subscribe if you have not. With that being said, Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.